Today, we're getting ready for a track day. Now the track day is coming up, but there's a few things that you should probably do before the track day actually happens. So I'm gonna run through some of the things you should do on the bike, things you should take off, things you should be aware of, and if you're camping, kind of what you bring. Now I'm no expert at this, so this is just more of kind of what I do and how I prepare. I'm sure there's better ways to do it, but at least you get to see my version. All right, so first things first, we need to fill the bike up. We're gonna change the oil. We're gonna adjust the chain. We're gonna flush the coolant, and we're gonna get anything else ready that needs to happen on this bike. Now we're basically gonna take off anything that's unnecessary, like for me, mirrors, license plates, phone mounts. I mean, you get it. Take all those off, and before we tape everything up and even safety wire things, we're gonna give it a bath. But before we do that, let's get everything off. All right, bath time, let's go.
The next day.
Well, day two. I thought I was gonna do this all in one day, but life got in front of me. All we really need to do today is the simple packing stuff. Well, that's a lie. We gotta put some tape on any glass, the headlight, turn signals, rear tail light, anything and everything like that. Just brake and crash and things in that nature, and don't distract people on the track. And then safety wiring, not really gonna safety wire. Gonna wait until we get to the track, because since I ride in the novice group, the yellow group, I don't need to safety wire specific things. Like brake bolts or any other kind of oil bolts, nothing along those lines, just the kickstand. So unless you have a paddock stand, I wouldn't safety wire your kickstand until you get there, which I'm getting there a day early, and yeah, gonna have some fun. So let's start taping.
Let's go.
Now that the bike's done and out of the way, it's time to get the rest of the stuff ready for the car. So I've got everything piled over there. I gotta put the trailer hitch on. I gotta put the bike on the roof. I can put all the camping stuff and the chairs and the tables and the coolers and all the other fun things in the car for tomorrow morning when we head out to the track. And another thing you don't want to forget is tools. Now, my first track day, I brought far too many. For this track day, just remember a few important things. Blue tape, in case you need to retape. The socket to take your wheels off. Now for my KTM and for your 690s out there, and probably for a lot of other bikes, the rear nut is a 32mm socket where the front is a 27. Now usually they have tire changers on site and people who do it for you, but just in case, bring the one specific for your bike. A lot of you single swing arm Ducati guys will probably know. And last but not least, don't forget your safety wire. Again, this comes in handy because a lot of the times regulations require you to do certain things, and if you can perform that maintenance on your bike when you're there, even better. You don't have to pay anybody to do it while you're there or ask for favors in other pits. So bring tools, everything that you use to work on your bike at home. At least you can roughly get through things. Also at the same time, you're gonna wanna bring extra fluids, like an extra oil, maybe some coolant, definitely brake fluid, all things that are necessary in case you overheat, you start losing oil, brakes start going, anything along the lines that you can use to maintain your bike to keep you on the track and to keep you safe on the track. And now as we have everything pretty much tool-wise, bike's done, all the food is inside, my bags are packed, the last thing to do is to assemble that trailer. Let's do it. Okay, so that is everything. It is assembled, and that's all we need to do. All right. So there we go. That's how I get prepared for a track day. Take note, leave a comment below if there's things that I missed or things that you do for your track days that if you give me a tip or two, that'd be great. I'd love to hear it. So I guess we'll see you next time when we actually head to the track. Now I gotta load this thing up in the morning and get ready to go. But remember, keep riding.